guys, looking Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2012 Mitsubishi Lancer, stock number 6866. It's ran from 2007 to the 12/2017. There's a 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, front bonnet, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 2 dents, left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, left front taillight, rear boot lip no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, air AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,